Very happy to see you in my YouTube channel daily Sana with the new gadgets organizers and inexpensive hacks for the kitchens that you can find at Amazon, IKEA or AliExpress. But before beginning, please don't forget to like and share this video with friends for more gadgets.
These airless refillable pump jars with me on my trip and absolutely love them. They are the perfect travel size and allows you to bring your favorite skincare and hair products with you. You can use them over and over again. They come in a pack of 2 and are 1 ounce each, so TSA approved.
You need this rapid mac cooker. It allows you to make an entire box of mac and cheese in the microwave in under 5 minutes and makes for a super easy cleanup.
This shower caddy suctions to your wall, has a self-draining top shelf for soap, 3 shelves, and 2 hooks at the bottom for shower accessories. This drink holder suctions to your shower or bathtub and works on most container types and mugs. And these gold hooks work both inside and outside of your shower to hold extra towels or shower accessories.
Perfect for storing rice, oatmeal, and other small grains in your kitchen pantry. Its large capacity can hold up to a 26-pound bag, and the lid has a built-in fresh box to keep food dry and safe. The container has a window to clearly see when it's time to restock, and it comes with a measuring cup that doubles as a strainer to easily measure and rinse your grains. The one-touch button makes it easy to dispense, and when finished, the side has a storage unit to hold the measuring cup. I have it linked for you guys in my Amazon storefront, so make sure you head over there and check it out. Follow for more.
This portable lightweight stool turns into a backpack when not in use, and the main compartment of this backpack is actually a cooler that can hold all of your summer adventure items and keeps your drinks and food cold. The inside is also waterproof, making it perfect to hold wet beach towels or bathing suits.
Replace your bottle's original cap or pump with the Flip It. It gets every last drop out of your favorite product. Use them in the bathroom, the kitchen, laundry room, and more. They are BPA-free, food, and dishwasher safe.
Watch what happens when you put these underwater. They expand in seconds to a regular size sponge. I love that they save space under my kitchen sink. Pack of 12.
Hack. This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
Trivet looks like a cat and protects your countertops from hot items like pots and pans. This is a utensil holder that looks like a dog, and it also doubles as a steam releaser. This is an avocado peeler that cuts your avocados in perfect slices, and it's also dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. This basting brush lets you easily spread oil or butter on your meat, toast, or fruit. This is a utensil holder that looks like a crab, and it's heat resistant, so you can put it on any pot.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage, and you can throw it in the wash too.
This is a door stopper that you can attach to the bottom of your door, and then it's readily available for whenever you need to use it. Secondly, this is the perfect step stool to use around the house as it's very light and it comes in a bunch of different sizes and colors.
Please, if you need link of any gadget, show me that in comments.
Rotating dispenser has 6 compartments, and each you can fill up with about 2 pounds of small grain. It doesn't take up a lot of space, and you can easily rotate it to the grain that you need. I also like that you can dispense grains from the side.
This multifunctional bowl serves as a food storage basket and a strainer. It has a removable hollow base and a slotted surface to keep produce fresh, so you can rinse fruits and vegetables directly in the bowl. The water drains down away from the foods and is easy to remove. Plus, it comes in several colors and looks aesthetically pleasing on a counter or tabletop.
This is the world's thinnest suitcase. It opens up from just 2 inches in width to 21-inch carry-on. The middle part is made up of waterproof material, and it's great if you don't have much space for a suitcase.
This is an organizer for your yogurt. It holds 4 containers of yogurt. Just add the sticky tape and press it into your fridge. You can place it on the top or the side. This helps to save so much room in my refrigerator.
These are my Amazon kitchen must-haves for making tacos. First up is my olive oil dispenser and my salt and pepper bowls. Both of these are super convenient to use while cooking. My other must-have for making tacos is my
Utilize the space under your bed or dresser with these shoe and clothing organizers. They can fit up to 20 pairs of shoes and have clear zipper covers to easily find your item quickly. Double the amount of space you have for your shoes with these shoe organizers that utilize vertical space. They work on both closet shelves and shoe racks. And this 360-degree swivel hanger is perfect for organizing hats, belts, handbags, and scarves in your closet with taking up minimal space.
Your kitchen has limited room for pots and pans. This non-stick granite pot and pan set might come in really handy. It comes with a handle that easily clips onto each cookware dish. This set is also oven safe, and the handle can be used in place of an oven mitt.
If this clutter looks familiar, grab these slim cabinet organizers that pull and rotate, maximize vertical space, and work in any cabinet in your home, including bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and laundry rooms. And utilize every square inch of kitchen cabinet space with these corner shelves that allow you to easily stack all of your dishes, pots, and pans.
I'm always losing my keys and AirPods, and this cool cloud gadget solves that problem. Just stick the magnetic cloud to your wall, and then you can attach your keys, AirPods, or anything else so you never lose it again.
Allow more space for products under your bathroom sink and counter with this renter-friendly hairdryer mount. Simply use the adhesive to stick the mount on the inside of your door and you're done. You can screw it on the wall or your door too. I opted to use the adhesive.
7-in-1 cutting board has so many cool features like a built-in weigh scale, a premium walnut wood slab that's removable and reveals another cutting board that doubles as a defrosting tray. This tray thaws frozen food 6 times faster and has a grinder for garlic, a vertical stand for display, and a magnetic knife holder. It's completely waterproof for easy cleanup and washing. It has a kitchen and cooking timer, and it connects to an app that gives you nutrition information based on the weight of your food.
First are these acrylic shelf dividers that keep my handbags from falling over on top of each other, and it keeps it looking nice and organized. This acrylic stand for my sunglasses, extra shoe storage for boots, this drawer organizer which comes in a set of 4 and I use it for my undies, socks, bras, and shapewear. And last are these S-hooks which I use for my jeans. Link in bio to shop.
This trifold tray opens up and becomes a sink topper for your vanity. It's made of a non-skid material top and bottom and stays in place without damaging countertops. It can hold items you might not always have room for, and the textured surface keeps things in place until you need them. It has an opening that sits around the faucet so you can still use the water while the sink is covered, plus it's heat resistant so you can rest hair tools while they're hot. It's also easy to wipe down in case of spills or messes and can be cleaned simply with soap and water. When you're done using it, just fold it back up and store it under the sink or in a linen closet.
This waterproof mat protects your under kitchen sink area from leaks and spills. This stamp comes with an ink protector and perfect for covering info before throwing it away. These multi-purpose silicone mats act as a splatter guard and microwave mat, pan grabber, jar opener, utensil rest, trivet, and are easy to clean. And this cooling sheet set comes in 40 colors, wrinkle resistant, and gets softer as you wash them. Get a foot massage in your shower with this foot scrubber that includes 2 pumice stones and it contours to your feet. My feet have never been softer and it feels great.
Here. I've gotten so much use out of this mini squeegee on my fogged up mirrors. Sunscreen is the best anti-ager, so I keep this in my purse and I put it on my hands while I'm driving. I don't wear anything but press-on nails. This is by Kiss. You put it on and it seeps underneath your nail and breaks up all that glue and they pop off with no damage. I love this bedside caddy to keep all of my things in one place. This charging station comes with all of the cords that you need, so that way you can charge all of your devices while you're asleep. I have this cuticle balm stick in my car, in my purse, in my desk. This has become a chapstick to me. Because I'm acne prone, I use these biodegradable throwaway face towels to wipe my face, and you will not catch me anywhere without this lip balm. When my face starts to break out, this is my go-to cleanser. It has time-released salicylic acid, so you can actually feel it working after you wash it off. And this cleanser is my go-to every single morning. This feels so luxurious and hydrating. I'm on my phone so much and it's always dying, so I always have this portable charger with me. These glasses come with glass straws in a pack of 4. And this little guy holds all of your jewelry, and when you put the latch back on, it will not open.